Hello, I am Shiva Krishna Adwala. I have 12 years of experience in the IT field and work with notable companies like DXC, HTC, CGI, Reserve Bank of India, etc. and played in various remarkable projects with the latest cutting edge technologies. I have played multiple roles like Java developer, lead developer, senior business analyst, agile master, product owner, project coordinator, etc. Now in my free time as an IT mentor, I have specialized in providing career guidance, interview skills, choosing a best suitable role, job market analysis, overview on latest technologies, business analysis, agile training, etc. And also motivating others with my real experiences. If you are looking to enhance your IT skills and stay ahead in today's fast-paced tech world, you have come to the right place. With my years of experiences in IT, I am excited to guide you through various sessions, videos, trainings that's both informative and engaging. These sessions are designed to boost your career and I have a very good track record in these areas and received exceptionally well results and feedbacks. Here is a glimpse of my history in visiting various colleges, training institutes and schools as part of social service.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Thank you for watching and I am looking forward to see you in the sessions. Let's take your IT skills to the next level together. Thank you. All the best.